Hello and welcome back to Spare Time Gardening and Open Gate Gardening with me, Simon. Have you ever looked out of your garden and felt completely overwhelmed? What was once a place to relax had become a jungle. Brambles had taken over, weeds covered every path. The front drive had disappeared beneath unwanted growth, and the back garden had become almost impossible to enjoy. And that's this job. Our client told us it was getting them down, and health conditions stopped them from gardening too, and didn't know where to start. So that's where we came in. So today we're taking on one of our biggest garden rescue projects yet. And by the end of this video, you won't believe the transformation. This wasn't just about making a garden look tidy again. It was about giving someone back a space they had slowly lost. Over months and perhaps even years, weeds, brambles and overgrown plants had gradually taken control. The block-paved drive disappeared beneath weeds, the patio became difficult to use, the borders had become a tangled mess of unwanted growth. It reached a point where the garden felt more like a burden than somewhere to enjoy. So our mission today is simple. Clear the front garden, rescue the back garden, bring the driveway and patio back to life, and prove that no garden is ever beyond saving. So grab yourself a drink, sit back and join us as we transform this neglected jungle back into a beautiful outdoor space that the owners can once again be proud to call their garden. And as always, enjoy. So another little job. Just to weed the drive. Just going to weed the pots that are around here. We've got the front of the house. Cut the shrubs back. Weed all the gravel. Cut these bushes back as well, make it look a little bit more presentable and weed free. Make it look nice. That's the front, and then there's the back of the house as well. Just do some weed. So a couple of hours today, and then we're probably looking at maybe another full day to get this done. Clients had the drive pressure washed, they came and did half of it and then buggered off. So we'll not do that, we'll finish the job. So I've finished the drive on this job. It's all nice and clear now, looking beautiful. I'm working on the hottest day of the year. I think it's going to be about 35 degrees, so I'm not going to spend too long here. Now just digging this border out. See some pictures of what it looked like before and in the video. Half of it's dug out, just digging out this grass, and then trim the camellia back, leave the hydrangea, and that's when we're going to stop today because it is roasting. Keep safe out there, people. So we've done the front of this garden, now we're going to tackle the back. Loads of weeds in here. I think it's horsetail or lion's mane. There's some beautiful hydrangeas and roses, but there's also some invasive ivy, brambles and horsetail. made a start on this border, digging out all the weeds. Think it is horsetail. Put as much as the root out as I possibly can. These hydrangeas are beautiful. Some ferns in there, aquilegia. Goes under there as well, got all the weeds out. It's beautiful for a couple of hours work. Still got to tackle what I'm going to refer to as the jungle. Down that side as well. And that's a job for another day when we've got more time. But impressed with the results so far. It's amazing what you can find under the weeds up there. So I say we're going to crack on with this job and get it finished. So this patio wants de-weeding, digging out, clear some of the pots. There's all this weed here. The greenhouse is full of horsetail as well, so we'll dig that out. This all wants de-weeding as well. And again, just around the patio. Again, just get all that dug out. It's down the side of the greenhouse as well, I think. All one. Yeah. Digging out and neatening up. And as we saw from last time, we already started the back border, so that side's clear. We just need to do the bottom and then all this side. So that's today's job. Obviously the patio as well needs sorting out, but let's see if we can transform this space. An update after a morning's work in this extreme heat. So this side's all weeded, got all the brambles out, cut the rows back. There's brambles and stuff all growing in this section with the rows, as you saw in the early video. Bit of a nightmare to dig out. That's all dug out. I've also cleaned the patio, got rid of all the weeds in the patio. It's looking lovely. Just got some rubbish to take away. And with spinning around here, got that to do, but this is all weeded. Side of the garage and the shed, that's all weeded. And then we've done where the pond is, what I do behind the greenhouse. And we've just done that back wall for today, but then there's the patio to tackle. But looking much better than the overgrown jungle that it was earlier. So let's see what happens tomorrow. So the job's done. All the patio weeded, the edge all weeded as well. The greenhouse, which was engulfed in horsetail, is now free of horsetail. Most of the roots to come back and keep an eye on that. Side's all done. This bit's all done now, weed free. And then as you look down the garden, what was once a jungle is now a garden. And the client can come out, sit, and not have to worry about having to do any weeding or getting frustrated because they've done it all for them. So this border's all lovely as well, weed free. So from overgrown jungle to wonderful, relaxing garden space. Such a rewarding to do a full tidy up. Wonderful. Look forward to the next one.